Day, rainy day, written by Vicky, shipton. Sunny day, Steve and Haley like sunny day. They go to the park and eat lollies. On sunny day, you can feel the heat of the sun. You need a sun hat. On some sunny day, Steve and Haley go to the beach. They play in the sea. Haley can see a jellyfish in the sea. Jellyfish. Windy day. Steve and Haley like windy day too. If the wind is not very strong, we say it is a breezy day. This leaf fell from a tree in the wind. Foggy day. Steve and Haley like foggy day too. It is very hard to see clearly on the foggy days. Rainy day. Steve and Haley like rainy day. They put on boots called wheelies. Then they splash happily. Stormy day. On stormy day, it gets dark and the wind is strong. Suddenly, there's a big flash and then thunder. If that thunder is soon after the flash, the storm is near. This man is hurrying to get out of the storm. If it is stormy day, stormy, never stay in the park of field. Do Steve and Haley like stormy day? Yes, luckily Steve and Haley are not out in the storm. They are safely in the playroom.